Ja sam
From US America.
Yeah,
Where?
I grew up here.
Where in the US?
Detroit.
You're from Detroit. Nice.
I just got back 2 years ago because I got deported in 2011.
How did you get back?
Bashkim familjar.
How can I come?
You got the UK, you got the British passport.
Yeah, but come free firearm convictions.
Nuk e di. Ti ka se ka bë burg më ti. Kujtën se s'ka këtu.
Vetëm hekër ti oj, ëndër vetëm këtu oj, o vlla, e peti, o 2 metra shumë. E sa i gjatë o kë? E ka Gucci. E ka krahë.
Ore, Gucci nuk ka të ardhë mu rrah këtu, Gucci a të ardhë me vizitu.
Jo.
Ti një kafe rahat me një shumë.
Jo, re, po
He's
thot
crazy,
njani,
man.
po
I
thot
just want to have a coffee with a friend. I don't want to fight.
Po thot
Brother,
njani
hajde
këtu.
kur dush up. You got that British passport, try to get a visa, whatever that is. And
I'm gonna apply it. Inshallah, they give it.
over here, it's a quiet place. Thingy.
Jack thought he wants to have a one-on-one with me. Raise 20,000. I'll put 20,000, and we can do a live one-on-one fight. And don't forget, I just got shot 4 times last week, so I've got 2 bullet holes in me,
Visa.
and I'll still beat you up.
Lena më bërro ti gjak ftofti ja. Ka mundësi në lënë rahat
I'll
vllai.
still knock you out with bullet holes in me. Remember that.
Gucci. Toxique says the B12 visa E. B12 visa.
Tell Jack Thought he put 20,000 up front and we can have the fight this week. And remember, I've got one arm that's not working. Look how my tendons and my nerves freeze, and I'll still take the fight. 20 grand.
Nuk merr vesh kështu, çfarë po thon?
Anglisht aty thon, vëni $20,000 thotë edhe. Po lënë më vllai, ti e ka.
Ka shans, o vlla. I thonë
Look how my
50
fingers move, and I'll still take the
I
fight.
thonë 50.000 o edhe që e myt Gucci, e myt.
Po lënë në mër Gucci në rahat më vllai, se Gucci
Okej, se shaka po bëjë këtu ti.
I'm giving a positive message. I'm saying leave the weapons aside and let's fight like men.
Është bo shaka o.
you done burn Detroit,
Or
Michigan.
I'll just keep doing the same thing. Last time you lot came, last week it was 3 guys, 8 guys, 3 guns. They run out of bullets. I run in the kitchen and the gas pipes went.
Gucci,
You know?
Gucci, come to US, Gucci edhe këtu ke çat dushër. You know, over here there's a self-defense thing.
Oje, dhe më vërtet pse s'vjen ti kjo valla? Ky vjen me sekonda ti.
Self-defense, brother.
Po,
Hey, po tu afru më Gucci.
I don't do that, man. You see how quick my reflexes. Don't point guns at me on live.
Ore, I'm telling you, it's a self-defense place over here. Këtu, ku me marrë me tërë dikush me diçan dorë.
You see how quick my reactions are, bro.
Don't make me go in the telefonin.
Don't make me go in the kitchen again, bro. This time 2.5 million people see my reaction. There was 3 guns, all I had was my fist and I still got them.
Yes, but that was not your time.
Ya alhamdulillah, la hawla wala quwwata illa billahi al-azim.
Oh,
O Gucci ti mund t'i ikesh në Amerikë,
What you doing rolling around with a little 2-2 PP though?
2-2? Ain't no 2-2, brother.
2-2.
Nah, my brother, so when I'm live in here. This
I'm
ain't no
gone,
2-2.
Bye, I'm gone.
Ain't no 2-2s over here.
po më kështu mund djush ti të edhe, jo. Mund djush kot kështu, bëu.
Ore, gjun, po bë me tarë dhe din, pse me bë probleme.
Është
Kena unë gjyë qërë, shkon atje, pagun $20 sa është ajo. Fishek të zbajnë, $20 të bajnë 50 fishek. 16.
Gjesh më tërgove, nuk më tërgove ti?
Po, apove.
Po.